In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Protonmail account step by step. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect before you permanently remove your account. By the end, you'll understand not only where to click, but also what this action means for your emails and data. First, open your preferred web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're visiting the official site and then log in with your usual credentials if you aren't already signed in. It's important that you're signed into the account you actually want to delete, so take a second to double check that you're in the right inbox once everything loads. Once you're logged in and your Protonmail inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons there. Find the one that looks like a small gear or cogwheel. This is the settings icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your quick settings. A small settings panel will appear, usually on the right side or as a drop-down. From here, you want to access the full settings area, not just the quick options. Look for the option labeled All Settings and click it. This will take you into the main settings dashboard where you can manage everything related to your account, from appearance and filters to security and account details. Once the full settings page loads, look for a section called Account and Password. This is the area where Protonmail keeps your core account controls and security options. Click Account and Password to open that section. Take a moment to let the page load fully, since this is where you'll find the controls for deleting your account. Now that you're in the Account and Password section, scroll down through the page slowly. You'll see different groups of settings related to your account, such as personal information, login details, and security options. Keep scrolling until you find the option that says Delete your account. This may be grouped with other advanced or dangerous actions, since deleting an account is permanent. When you see Delete your account, click that option. Protonmail will usually show you a confirmation screen or a warning message explaining what will happen when you delete your account. This may include losing access to your emails, contacts, and any data stored in the account, as well as the possibility that your chosen email address may not be available again in the future. Before you confirm, take a moment to think about whether you need to back up anything important. If there are emails, attachments, or contacts you might need later, make sure you've saved them outside of Protonmail ahead of time, because once you complete this process, recovery is typically not possible. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after you click Delete your account. You may be asked to re-enter your password or provide a reason for leaving. Carefully review any final warning messages, and when you're sure you're ready, confirm the deletion. After you complete these steps, your Protonmail account will be scheduled for deletion according to Protonmail's policies. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to protonmail.com, opened the settings via the gear icon, gone into all settings, selected account and password, and finally scrolled down to delete your account.